my friends. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. My name is Ellen. It is summertime, and you know what that means, peach season. So today I've got a fantastic peach dessert recipe to share with y'all. We're going to make Southern Peach Crisp. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. TheBomb.com, delicious, loaded with fresh, juicy peaches. And we're going to top it with a flavorful Cinnamon Oatmeal Crisp topping. How yummy does that sound? Everybody's going to love and enjoy this. And it is the perfect end to a summer's meal. And I'll post the complete recipe along with the instructions down in the description box below. And for more peach recipes, check out my peach recipes playlist and my previous video, Peach Cobbler Lemonade. I'll post the link to both of those down in the description box below. So grab your pie plate, your oatmeal, your cinnamon, and get your peaches slicing sugar, because we're about to bake some peach crisp magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. All right, my friends, the first thing we're going to do is prep our peaches. On my cutting board, I have 5 large, beautiful yellow peaches, nice and fresh, and I rinsed them. Now we're going to draw a notch on top. So I'm going to take my knife and just draw an X, like so. Just like that. All right, I'm going to do the same with the other peaches. And as soon as I get through doing that, I'll get my water boiling. I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, I am through with my peaches. And I have my large pot of boiling water. My fire is on high heat. Going to drop the peaches in there and let them boil for 45 seconds. All right, my friends, over here I have a large bowl of ice water. We're going to drop the peaches in there. That will help shock them to stop them from cooking. Going to let them sit in the ice water until they completely cool. And as soon as that happens, I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, our peaches are nice and cool. Now we are going to remove them from the ice bath. And I want to show y'all how easy the peel come off. Excellent. That's the beauty of cooking them for 45 seconds and then shock them in the ice water. It's like magic. Gorgeous and ripe. Excellent. So now I'm going to slice them. Just like that. And as soon as I get through with the rest of my peaches, I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, I am through peeling and slicing my peaches. And off camera, I place them into my bowl. Now we are ready to make the filling. Into our sliced peaches, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon, which is a capful of pure vanilla extract. Next, we're going to add in 1 tablespoon, which is half of a large lemon of fresh lemon juice. 1/4 of a teaspoon of freshly grated nutmeg. 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon and a pinch of kosher salt and ground allspice. To sweeten it, we're going to add in 1/2 cup, which is 100 grams of white sugar, and 1/4 cup, which is 31 grams of all-purpose flour. That will help bind everything, make our filling nice and thick. Give these a quick stir until they well combine. It will create a glaze. Okie dokie, our peach filling is done. I can smell the spices and the vanilla extract. Now we are going to pour it into our pie plate. Going to pour it in a 9-inch pie plate. But before we do, I'm going to spray it lightly with cooking spray, or you can grease it with butter so that way it won't stick in our pan. Spread the peaches evenly and make sure you pour all that yummy glaze. Now we are going to set the peaches aside and let them rest. And while that's happening, let's make our luscious Cinnamon Oatmeal Crisp topping. All right, my friends, over here I have my large bowl. We're going to add in our oatmeal, and I'm using the old-fashioned, or you can use the quick oatmeal. 2/3 of a cup, which is 57 grams. That's 1/3, and we need 1 more. And 2/3, so that's our 2/3 of a cup of oatmeal. Now we need 2/3 of a cup, which is 84 grams of all-purpose flour. Going to fluff it up. Using my butter knife, we're going to level it off. And voila, perfect 1/3 of a cup. Going to pour it into our oatmeal. Now we need 1 more 1/3 of a cup. Just repeat the process. Another perfect 1/3 of a cup. So that's our 2/3 of a cup of all-purpose flour. Into our flour and oatmeal, we're going to add in 1/4 of a teaspoon of freshly grated nutmeg. Next, we're going to add in 1½ teaspoons of ground cinnamon and a pinch of ground allspice. Whisk all these together until they're well blended. Now we're going to add in 1/2 cup, which is 1 stick or 8 tablespoons of salted butter. It's nice and cold, and I cut them into cubes. If using unsalted butter, add in a pinch of kosher salt. Using a pastry cutter, or you can use a fork, we're going to cut the butter in until it reaches coarse crumbs. I forgot to add in 1 more ingredient. 1/2 cup, which is 100 grams of packed light brown sugar. I'm just going to add it in and whisk it. It's all good. Going to finish cutting the butter in. Alright, my friends, our topping is done. The butter's nice and cut in. This is what it looks like. Nice coarse crumbs. That looks great. And the peaches are nice and rested. We're going to sprinkle the topping right on top of them. Alright, my friends, now we are ready to put this beautiful peach crisp in the oven. Oven's preheated to 350 degrees. Going to let it bake for about 50 minutes. And I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Old-fashioned Southern peach crisp. Don't that look good? I just taken it out of the oven. And it smells heavenly up in this kitchen. The oatmeal topping is nice and brown, and the peaches are juicy and bubbly. That's what you're looking for. Now, you don't want to dig in right away. Let it rest for about 15 minutes so everything can stay locked in. And after that, I'll fix me up a plate and give it a taste. Alright, my friends, I got my plate right here, and I'm serving it with a scoop of vanilla ice cream and a fresh mint leaf. Now it is time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Please have a bite. The peaches are perfectly cooked, juicy. I could taste the spices. The oatmeal topping is crunchy. I could taste the cinnamon. All the flavors are perfectly layered. This peach crisp is phenomenal, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite, and I'm gonna grab me some ice cream. Yum-o. Peach crisp-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And for more Southern magic in my kitchen, hit that subscribe button and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And please send me an email, ellenshomemade.delights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat and much love.